In this video, I will show you how to connect broker to MetaTrader 5. Now, before we start with this tutorial, make sure to like and subscribe if you find it helpful. So what you're gonna have to do is simply open MetaTrader 5 on your phone, and then the next step is to simply tap on settings at the bottom of the screen, as you can see on the right side. So simply tap on settings, and then you're gonna have to simply tap on trade accounts. Now here you're gonna have to tap on the plus button in the top right corner and then simply search for your broker. So I'm gonna search for this one here, FX Pro, and then simply tap on it. Now here you're gonna have to choose the server. So if you want to trade in demo, so basically learn how to trade, you're gonna have to select MT5, which stands for MetaTrader 5 demo. Now if you want to trade live with real money, select live, or simply select this one here. Now the next step is to simply enter the login info, so your email or username from that broker and the password, and basically that's it. So simply enter, as you can see here, the code and the password, and then simply tap on done, and basically that's all you have to do in order to connect broker to MetaTrader 5. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.